This is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we've got 2015 Jeep Cherokee, stock number 6780. This ran from 2nd 2014 to 11th 2022. It has a KL 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 9-speed automatic transmission. This is a KL 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left-hand headlight, left-hand daytime running light, left-hand guard no dents, left front 17-inch factory Omega tyre, left-hand door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 17-inch factory Omega tyre, left-hand tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right-hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory Omega tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door 2 dents, right-hand door mirror, right front 17-inch factory Omega tyre, right front door cone, right front master switch, center console lip, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,